Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. This is Bonti YouTuber's channel, and my name is Joe Tech for you. And today I'm going to show you some simple way how to make some simple beats with Fruity Loops or FL Studio. And as you can see, I have already opened the Fruity Loops, and here we have the view playlist, and this is the view playlist. So when you press on the view playlist, it just appears. And here we have the view channel rack. You press on it, it also appear here. So as you can see, here are all my beats I've selected, and this green shows that all the beats are working. So when you press on it, it will go off, meaning the beat will not sound meanwhile it's been playing. And then here we have the play here, and then when you press here the party mode, it takes you to whether this playlist playlist platform or whether the channel rack platform. So let me do example for you and then play. As you can see, the green line is moving, meaning I am working on the playlist. So when you press on this, meaning you can see some signal here going up and down, meaning I'm working on the channel rack. So before you start to pick your beat, we have here we have the plugin database. So this is how it, when you press on the plugin database, it is going to appear to you. So what you have to do is go to all, you press on all, and then as you can see, everything you need to you must need by in doing your beat is right here. So we have the drums here, we have the cymbals, we have the hats, we have the kick, we have the kit, we have the percussion, we have the SFX, we have the snares, we have the toms, a lot. So what you just do is when you want to pick a cymbal, you press on cymbal, and these are the sounds of cymbals. These are the sounds of cymbals. It is very simple. These are the sounds of cymbal. Different sounds. So when you want to pick a kick, these are the sounds of kicks. You just take the one which you like how I've selected it here. So what you have to do is when you want to also pick a kit, these are the examples of kits we have here. So you just pick it and then paste it here. So first of all, we are going to start some small beats with this program. You can use this beat or this program to do a lot of beats, different style for rehearsals. Whether you are a musician, you can use it for rehearsals in your room, a lot. So it can help you a lot. So we are going to start creating our beat. So first of all, when you press on this rack and you press play, it is going to sound. When you press it, it is going to sound. So this is how it sounds. When you press on the clap, this is how it sounds. Okay, so I am going to create a simple beat for you to see how it works, depending on how you want the beat to go. So let me start by using the clap. See, pa, 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 that's how it sounds. Okay, going to the next step. So you can see how the beat is being formed. So this is how the beat is being formed. can see, this is my vocal. So as you can see, I'm taking a simple beat and a nice beat. Very nice beat. So as you can see, this is how I have created my beat, and it is very simple. So when you just want to put our twist it on the playlist, you just press on this. So as you can see, I am copying it, and you can see the green line moving up and down, meaning that's where the sound is coming from, and that's where I'm also working on. So when you press here, it comes back to the channel rack that's here, moving here, and as you can see, it has been stopped from here, and it's now playing here. So like I said, when you off this one, the first sound here that is attached to stop from sounding. You press on this, it stops. As you can see, the beat has already been changed. Stop this one, you can stop this, you can stop all the beats, you can stop all the beats from sounding. As you can see, they are all going up. They are all going up. So the particular one you want to hear the sound, you press on it, it sounds. See, pump pump. That's how it sounds. Next one also goes pa pa pa. You see, very nice on this one. Okay, you see, yeah, that's how it goes. Next one. Next. See, next. See, changing the style. Only this one too. As you can see now, all the sounds are being. You are hearing all the sounds now. Very nice. So it's quite simple to create your own beat in a form or different style that you want to. When you want to create a very short beat, you can create it. Long beat for your music, you can also create it. But please make sure you kindly subscribe and also hit the bell for my next video and like the video. Make sure you subscribe it and like the video. Thank you everybody for watching this video, and I'm out.